Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get discount codes for Eldorado.gg. First, let's start with the official method. Open your browser and go to the search bar. Type eldorado.gg/blog/Eldorado discount codes. Press enter and open the page. This is the official blog page where they post discount codes. Here you will find several codes that you can use right away. These codes are updated often, so if one does not work, scroll down and try another one. Sometimes, you will also see special offers for specific games. For example, there might be a code just for game currency or items for a certain game. This makes it very useful if you are looking for deals related to a specific title. If you cannot find a working code there is another method you can try. Go to the homepage of Eldorado.gg. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you will see links to their social media platforms. These can include platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or others. On these platforms, they often share new discount codes for users. Make sure to follow their accounts so you do not miss any updates. This is one of the best ways to stay informed about new promotions. There is also a third method, which is using third-party websites. However, this method is not recommended. Some of these websites may be trusted, but many are not safe and can be fraudulent. It is always better to stick to official sources. Thanks for watching.